to escape daily life's hustle, to break away from relentless emails, alerts, and deadlines. This feeling recently guided me and my friends on an adventure into the mountains, a place where time lingers and worldly commotion diminishes. We stepped away, seeking solace from the never-ending noise of urban life. We yearned for tranquility, for an oasis amidst the turbulence. There, nestled in nature, we found a calm, a slow rhythm that erased the tension. In the heart of the mountains, the world's chaos fades into the background. We walked, our steps measured, on worn trails that seemed untouched by mankind. The air around us was pure, a sharp contrast to the smog-filled cities we left behind. The wilderness teemed with life, and with every we felt more and more connected to this natural wonder. As we ventured deeper into this wilderness, a sense of tranquility washed over us, like a soothing balm for our frazzled nerves. Our days took on a rhythm as natural and comforting as the heartbeat of the mountains themselves. The terrain was familiar, yet ever-changing, a testament to nature's never-ending cycle of rebirth. Among all these experiences, the most impactful was the opportunity to disconnect. To turn away from our screens, to not be constantly bombarded by notifications, calls, and social media alerts. In this realm of disconnection, we discovered a different kind of connection. A connection with nature, with peace, with each other. Contrary to our usual routine, we found solace in the tranquil environment around us. The little delights seemed magnified. Leaves rustling in the wind became a melody. A shared smile became a joyous moment. A silent mountain range became a peaceful haven, the peaceful silence of the mountains. It's an early morning, the ascent to an isolated peak. The dark world slowly stirs under the encroaching dawn. The sky, once monochrome, now fills with the sun's rays, transforming into a canvas of pink and gold hues. We crossed streams whose whispers told tales of their long journey from the mountain peaks. Frequently we stopped, captivated by the grandeur of the view that stretched out before us, a panorama painted with nature's own hands. Paused to drink in the panoramic vistas that unfolded before our eyes. Connection, a bond as profound as the wilderness around us, was born. One experience stands out in stark relief against the backdrop of these memories. This sight stirred within me a profound sense of awe, a deep understanding of life's beauty and fragility. Imagine trading in the concrete jungle for towering peaks and lush forests, the noise of traffic for the whispering breeze and the chirping of birds. Transitioning from urban chaos into the mesmerizing wilderness was a surreal experience. The towering trees, the melodies of nature, and the fresh, cool breeze replaced the stress and anxiety of city life with a newfound serenity. As the sun dipped below the horizon each evening, we would huddle together, drawn by the allure of the dancing flames of our campfire. The comforting warmth radiating from the glowing embers was a welcomed respite from the coolness of the night. We found ourselves lost in the melody of crackling firewood, punctuated by our laughter and tales of adventures. Each night, nestled under a dome of twinkling stars, a unique camaraderie blossomed, marking unforgettable moments. On our return to the whirlwind of our daily lives, a piece of the mountains came back with us. The highlands gifted us a serene tranquility, a fresh outlook, and enduring recollections. These life-altering memories emphasize what's truly vital. It showed me the significance of self-reflection, spiritual enrichment, and strengthening worldly connections. This was not just a trip to the mountains, but an expedition into our own selves. It was a journey that left us forever changed.